Good evening, Philippines. Good morning, and here in abroad. Good evening to all my OFW kabayan. Charot. So now I'm get bored, so tayo ay mag-sing. I'm gonna sing. I have nothing wrong, charot. Feeling singer. So let's go. So babalik natin para memorize natin yun. So, diba? So, paulit-ulit lang yun. So, try natin yung voice natin kung pwede na ba. Diba? Pwede na ba?